Hi students, myself Vikas Chaudhary, lecturer in chemistry. Today we learn about the compounds of xenon. The compounds of xenon is the part of P block element in inorganic chemistry. First of all, we learn about xenon difluoride. Xenon difluoride. In this compound, the central atom valence shell electron configuration of xenon is given as 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. This is their ground state electronic configuration of xenon. After then we write the excited state of xenon electronic configuration. Xenon at excited state 5s, 5p and 5d. 5s, 2, 5p. One electron excited from p atomic orbital to d atomic orbital. After that, the electronic configuration at hybrid state. 5s, 5p and 5d. Sigma and sigma. Their valence shell orbitals are combined each other and produce 5 hybrid orbitals. Mix each other and produce 5 hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals are called as sp3 dihybrid orbitals. So the hybrid state of xenon is sp3 dehybridization. 3 hybrid orbitals occupied by the lone pair of electron. So the hybrid state of xenon is equal to sp3d. The lone pair of electron is equal to 3 and the bond pair of electron is equal to 2. So their structure is given as the lone pair occupied the equatorial hybrid orbitals of xenon. So their structure is given as linear set. And their bond angle is equal to 180 degree. Linear set. So the second compound is XeOF2, xenon monoxide difluoride. In this compound, the central atom is xenon and their valence shell electronic configuration is given as 5s2, 5p6 and 5d0. Their excited state electronic configuration is given as 5s2, p4, d2. 2 electron of p atomic orbital is excited into d atomic orbital. And the hybrid state electron configuration is given as 2 fluorine atom bonded with xenon and formed sigma bond in p atomic orbitals. And the oxygen produces 2 bonds, 1 sigma and 1 pi. Due to d pi p pi overlapping, it formed pi bond. So the hybrid state of xenon is not sp3d2. The hybrid state of xenon is sp3d because due to hybridization only sigma bonds are produced. Pi bonds are produced by the overlapping process. So the hybrid state of xenon is sp3p, and the lone pair of electron is equal to 2. Lone pair of electron is equal to 2. Number of sigma bond is equal to 3. Number of pi bond is equal to 1. So their structure is given as, number of lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron are occupied the axial hybrid orbitals. So their shape is T shape. T shape. Okay, the next compound is xenon oxotetrafluoride. Xenon oxotetrafluoride, the central atom xenon valence shell electron configuration is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. Then excited state electron configuration is given as 5s2, 5p3 and 5d3. 3 electrons of p atomic orbital excited from p orbital and shifted to d atomic orbitals. Hybrid state electron configuration of xenon is given as S2, 4 fluorine bonded with the xenon with sigma bonds, and 1 oxygen bonded with 1 sigma and 1 pi. 1 sigma and 1 pi. Pi bond produced due to d pi p pi overlapping. And the hybrid state of xenon is equal to sp3d2. The lone pair of electron is equal to 1. Number of sigma bonds is equal to 5. Number of pi bond is equal to 1, and their structure is given as 4 fluorine oriented in the direction of corners of a square, and 1 oxygen bonded with the sigma and pi bond and 1 lone pair of electron, and their shape is square. Pyramidal shape. The next compound is xenon dioxide difluoride. In this compound, 2 fluorine and 2 oxygen bonded with xenon. So these fluorine and oxygen required their 6 orbitals for bonding with xenon. So their ground state electron configuration is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0, and their excited state electron configuration is 5s2, p 3 electron excited from p orbital to d orbital, and their hybrid state electronic configuration is given as 2 oxygen bonded with sigma bond. 2 fluorine bonded with sigma bond, and oxygen bonded with sigma and pi bond. Sigma, and 2 pi bond also produced due to d pi p pi overlapping. So their hybrid state is not sp3d3. Their hybrid state is sp3d because due to hybridization process, only sigma bonds are produced, pi bonds are produced due to overlapping process. So the hybrid state of xenon is sp3d, and the lone pair of electron is equal to 1, and the bond pair of sigma bonds, number of sigma bonds is equal to 4, number of pi bonds is equal to 2, and their structure is given as C Sase. Thank you.